Today we're talking about how to increase your money mindset so that you can welcome more financial abundance into your life. Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset as a business and life coach. I am passionate about you living a life that you love. Money. We have so many beliefs about money and abundance. Are you ready to shift your money mindset to attract more abundance in your life? I want to give you some really important and easy tools that you can implement that will start to change how you feel about money, how you relate with your money, and therefore how much money you can attract into your life. It is so important to recognize that everything is energy, including money. Money is simply a tool that we use that represents our freedom in the world. And money is just an energetic exchange that occurs. But we've got all kinds of beliefs tied up to our money. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money is the root of all evil. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer, and all of us are somewhere in between. We've got these beliefs about money, and how and what we believe about something is what's responsible for our results. So if you're looking to create more money abundance in your life, it's time to start looking at those money beliefs. One of the exercises that I have my clients do is to put themselves in a quiet place and just for a few minutes write down everything that they believe about money, where we're not editing, we're simply giving that subconscious mind a voice. So it could be money doesn't grow on trees. We all have beliefs about money. So by starting to put them on paper, you can start to realize what your beliefs about money are. And we have to have that awareness if we want to start to shift them. So take 5-10 minutes, write down everything I believe to be true about money, and then read that list and ask the question, is this really true? Is this really true, or is this just an idea? And if it's not been the result for everybody on the planet, chances are it's just a result of a certain level of thinking. And if this is no longer true for me, if this idea, if this belief is no longer serving my money vision and where I want to be, what's the new belief that I can start to install? That money comes to me easy, there's more than enough, that money is always expanding, that it shows up when I need it. Money is energy and it's infinite. And you want to start looking at what are those new beliefs that I can install that are more in harmony with where I want to go. We notice the old belief, we replace it with what the new belief is, and then through time, repetition, we tell ourselves this new idea. A couple other things to do with money to increase that abundance in your life is to notice your energy when you're paying your bills, when you're logging on to your online banking. How are you feeling? You want to start to notice any resistance, any dread, because money hears you. It's energy. It's a perfect system. And so as long as we're having resistance, dread, overwhelm, when we're thinking about our money, we are attracting to ourselves more experiences that are going to be in alignment with that. So instead, when you're paying your bills, to give gratitude. If it's your phone bill, to give gratitude for that telephone company that allows you to stay connected to your friends, to your family. Start to be in a state of gratitude as you're in that circulation of money, and that'll help you to shift your mindset. When you're logging onto the bank, to generate a state of gratitude for the financial abundance that you do have, and to give gratitude for the abundance that's coming to you, and go into your banking with that energy. And as you do that, again, you'll start to feel better, you'll start to feel differently, and that'll help you to shift that money mindset. And the last thing to look at is, how are you keeping your money? Take a look at your wallet, take a look at your purse, where you're keeping your money. Do you've got receipts stashed in there? Are the bills all crumpled? Are you respecting your money? Again, money's energy, and we want to treat it with respect and honor it in order to attract more of it to us. Notice your energy when you're working with your money. And then organize your wallet. Organize that place that's really the symbol of where you're keeping that resource. and watch what happens. So for more about abundance, check out the other videos that I've created on money, financial abundance, increasing your wealth in the world. The more that we have, the more good that we can do on this planet, the more we can give, the more we're free to really live our passion. And that really is the purpose of money. So here is to your abundance and to your success.